Out here checking a place out called Smith Mine over in Hoover. I'm seeing some rocks like this. You can see there's some fossilized wood there. You got a little froggy. There he is. I'll check this place out, see what it's got. This area looks pretty neat. You see there's definitely a lot of rock. I said I was standing on top of the mine over there that way, but I didn't see anything there. It looked like one, so they probably sealed it. Or they just pinpointed it there when it's actually somewhere else to throw people off to not find it. We'll see. Going back to these kind of rocks, indicates to me it was a coal mine out here at one point. I'm gonna keep looking and see if I can see anything. See, there's a trail. Going up that way. There's a piece of what looks like fossilized limb or something like that. There you can see some of the coal in the rock. Looks like this trail just goes back to the power line trail. Try the other direction. There's this little structure. Obviously somebody tried to do a little man-made shelter. Brush style. Some kind of old road path here. See where it goes. It's like a small dump pile here. Definitely a hump. You can definitely tell they did mine here at some point with all these large rocks the way they are. Got the giant pine cones too. It's a view of the power line trail. And you can just definitely tell this was a mining area for sure. That's with all the rocks the way they are and the way everything looks. And it's cut out. It says the mine's up that way. I done walked up that way. There's nothing there but a hill. If you get over the hill, there's some kind of little park or something up top up there. And then you go that way, I saw a house. So I started going that way. I didn't see anything. It sounded like I heard noises by my truck, so I came back to the truck to make sure it's okay. Maybe a spot worth checking out. I don't know. We'll just have to see. As you can see, you just pull right off the highway here. There's no signs that say keep out, no nothing.